Okay, YouTube. I bought this used Turbinecore FMF muffler, spark arrestor, and obviously the company recommends not taking the whole thing apart. Anyway, I decided to. I had a bright idea I was going to do it. So, as you can see, that's a tip. That's the magic Turbinecore part. So, if you see here, you look right through it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, almost looks like a turbine from an engine. Twin engine. Anyway, obviously you have the back piece there that's rebuildable, repackable. Just to show you the actual junk that was in there. So if you look here, see that was the packing around the Turbinecore piece. It's not supposed to be repackable, so I'm gonna repack it, whole thing, put new rivets in, and put it back together and throw her on that baby over there.